Want to change your Thread password? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily change the password of your Thread account. So the very first thing you want to do is head over to your application Thread. Make sure you are logged in into your account that you want to change the password of. Once you're in this page, you need to head over to your profile at the bottom right corner. Tap on this two line at the top right corner. Head over to Account Center. Move into Password and Security and then head over to Change Password. Choose your Thread account. Now from here you can easily change your password. First of all, enter your current password and then enter the new password that you want to create. After that, re-enter the password and click on Change Password. Your password of Thread account will be changed. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.